With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. To loosen the adhesive, we use a plastic triangle opening tool. We release the screws from the top of the device. Very carefully, we remove the upper antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We lift the charging port. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Now we return with the assembly process.